I'm a bit late, but at least I made it. My God, the steps, honey.
People sending in their condolences. I'm still one of those that are like direct, just to find out is this where we at? You know, these are young people that are doing so great in South Africa, from Kolesotho Kakwale and all that, but we're combining all fella. A beautiful lady in studio, Lizzie Lazi. I'm like, hey, oh, I was like, wait, okay, let me get this right.
Sanibona, ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. You know more than sanibona, ivoice yakho already ithi lalelanda. Ngiyakwazi ukucula.
Hawu.
Ha, ngiyakutshela Ntombi. Awusitshela ke ulwazi yena ke uhlangana phi nomculo?
Yo, umculo nje silo engazalwa. I believe I've always loved music. Even from primary school, bengenza music, esikoleni, your assemblies, makhona into fanele ngiqophe iculo nje from a very young age.
So you were one of those that were like, mama said, "Kishoni ngoma wonke umuntu webheka wena."
Yes, kahle ngangicela uthisha othile owayephethe ikomiti athi nje kuzohamba uthisha othile sicela usenzele iculo or kuzoba na something, there's Arbor Day, there's whatever itakhona nje, it's spring day in sicela usenzele iculo. Yep.
Okay, so is it ukhulela emndenini womculo noma uhamba wedwa?
Bakhona abantu abaculayo ekhaya, hey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you imagine ngini ngama ceremony kwamnandi kanjani?
Yeah. Kuba siyashintshana kwi program.
So manje career yakho yomculo yona icala nini?
Yo, iqale dala nakhona kudala. I think my first single engayenza was with Bittersweet Upapa.
Okay.
It's titled Uthando. And then from there, I think in 2014 or 2013 ngenza Kind of Love with the old DJ Melon, and then ngase I think 2015 lab senza Get to Know Me with the DJ Melon as well, and then from there
with quite big people in the industry.
Yeah, and then again ngase ngazenze like from 2018 I then started my own just
singles, right? So
yeah.
kuna le ngoma esize ngazo kahle namhlanje.
Yes.
Yiphi ingoma esingayo?
Yo.
Because ngiyabona later on kuno sikelele
yeah. So uqobo lwami,
okay,
which we featured each other, NK the DJ,
okay,
and we featured Usenzo. Yeah, so yeah, uzolizwa nje nawe leli
culo.
So
uqobo lwami sifika kanjani uqobo lwami ngoba kwenzakalani in that leso sikhathi uqobo lwami kuzokucelwa ipen and paper ukuthi yazi uqobo lwami siyambeka phansi.
Yazi futhi kahle leli culo nje lazenzakalele because wayesenginika ama beats hlampa u5 ngiloke ngibhala and by the time we got to studio wavele wadlala le beat le. Savele sathi I know because it's fresh,
okay,
let's just jump on it. And for me ukuthi nje ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngimzomnika lonke uqobo lwami ngoba ngingayisani usunginike kona okukuningi kangaka bengubani mina ngithandwa wena uNkulunkulu yabo. So yeah, these are just ama spiritual songs nje lawo nisikelela nayo. It's just a prayer about unkosi ingasikhohle thina as iAfrica ukuthi sisikelele as iAfrica we need to grow kusekukhulu kusafanele sikwenze as iAfrica.
Ngithanda ukuthi awuzifaki wedwa. Faka yonke Africa.
Yes. Yes.
You know, sometimes you find artists abazothi ngapha uqobo lwami because I was going through a tough time in my life and whatnot. But looking at you, you've been in the industry for quite some time. Ama challenges mhlambe uke wahlangana na wena. Amaphi noma everything has just been running smooth nje for wena?
Mntama. Hayi mntama yohleze kube imali because imali, at the end of the day mangabe uyi artist for mina ke I'm an independent artist, so ukusho ukuthi yonke into ibheke mina. Do you understand?
Yeah, it's very
You understand? Kudinga imali yonke into kwayona okushutha just icover. Uyabona nje kuningi.
But here you are, you're still standing.
Yeah.
And you know, there's someone that's looking at you okwamanje and saying, you know what, ngifuna ukufana nolwazi. And I feel like in njobe shukuthi kuningi in the industry, it gets very difficult. What can you say to them at this point in time?
Ngingabatshela nje ukuthi abaqhubeke. For me, it's been such a long journey kwamina. Angafiki nala ngifuna ukufika khona cabanga. Hayibo ngifuna ukufika nje hayibo nami ngifuna ukwaziwa phesheya ngifuna nje ukuthi yabo nje nemali oyifike phela nayo yabo nje nama gigs ngazi nje ukuthi hayi sengiyakhila ibrand yabo nje sengiyi multi-millionaire ngaleli business. You understand?
That's you're headed in that direction.
Yeah.
After we play these songs, ulwazi sesiyamazi nokusho ukuthi nolalela Alex FM ulalela khona manje next time ebekhumbula ulwazi sekaphesheya ke bazothi hayi man nale ntombi engayizwa ku Alex FM.
Yeah.
So ngiyahamba ngiyobhadala izikweletu manje bengibuya siyayidedela ingoma zakho let me say that, so that we can hear ukuthi manje pheka nihlele studio niphana ngama beat senifaka uqobo lwami ukuthi khamba kanjani mama dirikisa makilo rikisa hari khutla idedela dipina tsa lwazi.
Welcome to our world of music.
Lwazi ama-million asiwatholi
Kanjani?
akazoba khona.
Yo Tommy, and you know what? Kahle even now siyalwa egroupini khona igroup evuliwe because one of the uyintatheli kodwa ungathi uphethe ama.
To enter, buy any 4 Knorr soups today. Send a WhatsApp text to 064 812 9641 and follow the prompts. Only Knorr makes the good stuff irresistible. T's and C's apply. Join us at Greenstone Mall on the 26th of July from 10 a.m. for a chance to win some great prizes. Make it Knorr with Knorr. Oh, okay.
Coach, where Alex Ming.
But I'd love to know how do you balance?
Oba. Oh, yeah. No. No ways. You should reggae. I'm like, yo, I don't know where the parking is here. Garage. No, it's fine. They said I can just pay $20. So that's okay. Oh yes, somebody actually told me that just a couple of days ago. That's so strange. That's twice in 1 week, literally. Yeah, I'm on my own.
It's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
This song and previous songs
that I've done.
Yeah.
I don't know. All the songs are different. I've done an EP where it's just jazz. And yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know.
There is Nolwazi Mabizela, popularly known as Ulwazi, and on this one she's saying Sigelela. She's joining me in studio right now, and we're talking all things music. So that's one of the singles, and she's been working on that. So manje Lwazi, this song, producer yakhona, ithe makaqeda. How did he or she feel about it? Now nje.
Hayibo, imina phela ngavele ngathola beats ngathi azini angihambe ngestudio. Literally it's just ukuthi ngithola umuntu ngithi nje angicela la ngicela ungenzela lokhu la, ungenzela lokhu la. Literally kusuke kuyimina ngithi hayi mfethu ngicela ungenzela la.
Work full time, then music, then being a mom, being a sister. Kusebenza kanjani for wena? Mhlawumbe ne-advice mhlawumbe for for us also as moms, because sometimes kusixaka nje ukuthi yazi I feel like I can't balance.
Yeah. Mfethu, it's just ukuphila nje, just taking each day as it comes. I have a 15-year-old daughter. Oshawe stage. Into gayazi. Ufuna ufama frontally. Uyambona nje idrama. And yeah, man, I have to work because I have to put food on the table, and music is my number one love and my passion, and I don't want to not do it. So if I have to sacrifice something else, then let me do that so that I can put food on the table. Yeah, so that's why ngiwenza from the heart, and I sing from my heart, and I write messages that are going to bring hope to the people of South Africa and Africa, because usamningi kakhulu umsebenzi safanele siwenze nje as Africa ukuze sikwazi ukufika sibeke thina on that global platform. Yabona lonto. Yeah, so nje it's just a matter of ukuthi nje ushizile mfethu ayikho into ngayenza.
So from this song, what are you hoping your listeners can take away from you?
Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda. And that akakapheli ngawe. Necebo analo for wena nempilo yakho. Akakafeza akakenziwa lutho. So nje this is literally a prayer ukuthi uNkulunkulu uJehova akubusise. Yabo akuphe ukuthula.
More than anything.
Like kuningi nje, it's just literally a prayer for you to not forget that you are a child of God, and there's so much potential in you, and it's not just about South Africa but Africa as a whole. Yeah, bo.
Astetele enye futhi Lwazi. Kithi in studio playing the songs. You can send us a voice note 06821292818. Ha, guys, it's already 11. Yo.
I
didn't see this. See,
just a matter of me just exploring different genres. Literally, yeah.
That is Lwazi featuring NK the DJ on Alex FM 89.1 Elevation, man. And on this one, Barre Obolwami. And there's a message here that came through and said, "Hi Lebu, I love Lwazi's voice. That is the Rose from Koselponi. Also, okay, that's loving your voice more than anything in Tombo."
Thank you. Ngiyabonga.
So, manje, Lwazi, after this, what's the next thing for you?
Yeah, more music. Yeah, more music, definitely.
More music, more bookings.
Yeah,
More gigs,
I'm
more-
hoping. I'm crossing fingers ukuthi khona olalele ozothi hayi mfethu ngeke. Usele kanjani? Woza sokufaka.
Sicela nisivuleleni iminyango, please.
You know?
Siyacela kodwa ngiyethemba ukuthi njengoba usula ku-Alex certain event bakuthola kanjani?
Bengakwazi ukuthi bengi-email nolwazimabezela@gmail.com.
Are you on any socials?
I am on social media. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. It's @lwazwans. And I'm on Facebook. My page is Lwazi. Uzongibona nje. Yeah.
All right.
And then obviously ukstreama ke guys, I can't stress that enough. Ukuthi niye ku YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, nihambe nje guys, search Lwazi Sikelela or Lwazi Qobo Lwami nje noba nje nithi Lwazi nje ngeke ngangithola guys, akukhona amaculo maningi nje ngicina senibone namanye akudala yabo. Yeah.
And then your last message to abantu abalalele, your fans, what can you say to them?
Ay mina ngithi nje bafethu ningalilahli ithemba kuwo noma ngabe yini lokholelwa kuyona oyifisayo kusenhlizweni yakho akukho lapho ngephutha uNkulunkulu okufake lokho, and that's your purpose. Ayikho into edlula ukuthi uyenze into obuyizele la emhlabeni ngoba sonke sibizelwe for something. Uyabo, so nje engikufuna nje ukuqhuquzela ngakho ukuthi nje bese ungalilahli ithemba noma ngabe kwenze njani ungalilahli nje ithemba uvuka uyicoshe.
Uvuke uyicoshe. This is what I'm taking away from this interview. Lwazi, ngicela ukuthi yazi uhambe kahle from here.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best in your career.
Ngiyabonga.
And looking forward in future ngizobona uphesheya. Njengoba ufuna uyaphesheya. That was Lwazi joining us as the artist of the day. Ngithemba ukuthi mina haye uratile uthabeti. Let's support South African artists. Let's stream the music wabona, and they need us more than anything because music is life, and when everything else is just so quiet, music is the only thing that speaks.
Guys, this is Gomora. Manditini. There's a shisa nyaman sabaweli.